Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
Welcome back to the channel. In today's quick comparison, we're breaking down Supabase versus Neon, two rising stars in Postgres world. If you are a developer looking to choose the right backend as a service in 2025, this one is for you. Let's start with Supabase. Supabase brands itself as an open source Firebase alternative. It gives you a Postgres, a real-time subscription and authentication, storage and edge function, all bundled into a single platform. It is incredibly easy to spin up projects and the dashboard makes database management feel almost too smooth. Plus, their community and documentation are super active, which is a huge win if you are just getting started or scaling fast. Now, Neon. Neon focuses on providing a modern, serverless Postgres experience. One of its standard out feature is branching. Yeah, like a Git but for a database. That means you can spin up a full clone of your database in seconds, test features, and merge changes without messing up production. Neon also supports storage and computing, which lets you scaling things efficiently and pay only for what you use. It's ideal for teams building in fast-moving environments. So, here's the bottom line. If you want an all-in-one Firebase style backend with authentication, storage, and smooth UI, Supabase is the go-to. But if you are building with one more DevOps or GitOps approach and want the sweet database branching with your performance control, Neon could be your power move. Alright, that's a wrap on this one. Let me know which one you're using down in the comments. And as always, hit that like button if this helped you out and subscribe. Catch you in the next guide.